Hello everyone, welcome to MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Question number 1. Under the Mitakshara law, a daughter is not entitled to inherit her father's property if option A, she is married, option B, a son is alive, option C, there is no will, and option D, the father has no heirs. The correct answer is option B. The Chhattisgarh High Court in Srimati Ragmania through LRs versus Jagmat and others ruled that under the Mitakshara law, a daughter cannot inherit the property of her deceased Hindu father if her son is alive before the Hindu Succession Act 1956. Question number 2. In which of the following situations can habeas corpus be invoked? Option A, to assess the progress of an investigation into a missing person. Option B, to challenge dissatisfaction with the investigation process. Option C, to protect personal liberty in cases of illegal detention, and option D, to monitor routine police investigations. The correct answer is option C. The Rajasthan High Court in Srimati Babita versus State of Rajasthan and others clarified that the extraordinary writ of habeas corpus can only be invoked in cases involving illegal detention, not to assess or monitor the progress of a missing person investigation or express dissatisfaction with the investigation process. Question number 3. Under the Transfer of Property Act 1882, attached to the earth doesn't mean option A, growing crops, option B, shrubs, option C, trees, and option D, walls or buildings. The correct answer is option A. The Act defines immovable property as things attached to the earth but explicitly excludes standing timber, growing crops, and grass from this definition. Question number 4. Under the Indian Contract Act 1872, a contract to perform the promise or discharge the liability of a third person in case of his default, option A, is a contract of guarantee, option B is a contract of warranty, option C is a contract of indemnity, and option D, none of the above option. The correct answer is option A. Section 126 of the Indian Contract Act defines a contract of guarantee as a contract to perform the promise or discharge the liability of a third person in case of their default. It involves three parties: the surety who gives the guarantee, the principal debtor whose liability is guaranteed, and the creditor to whom the guarantee is given. The guarantee can be either oral or written. Question number 5. For the purpose of hearing any reference under Article 143 of the Constitution of India, minimum number of judges of the Supreme Court who are to sit for the purpose shall be option A 3, option B 5, option C 7, and option D 11. The correct answer is option B. The minimum number of judges required for a reference under Article 143 of the Constitution of India is 5. This is because Article 145 Clause 3 mandates a bench of at least 5 judges for any case involving a substantial question of law regarding the interpretation of the Constitution or for hearing a reference made by the President under Article 143. It's the time for practice question. The writ jurisdiction of High Court is wider than writ jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. Examine the correct answer. Option A. Yes, Article 226 can be invoked to establish fundamental rights and any other right. Option B. No, Article 32 is wider. Option C. Both jurisdictions are identical. And option D. None of the above option. Pin down your answers in the comment section below.